What is going on, guys? So we have a really good deal on a minivan, a little mom van. So we're going to bid on this bad boy. I'm going to minimize my screen. We're on ACV Auctions, online dealer-only auction. If you guys don't know, I'm a car dealer. Ooh, it went up to 3,200. Let me show you my screen. 56 seconds left on this bid. Let's see what we got going on here, and I'll tell you why I want it while I'm bidding on it. All right, there we go. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Minimize. Boom. All right, so this is it. 3550 Honda Odyssey 2011. They're actually really appealing minivans. Boom, boom, boom. Honda's super reliable. It needs some stuff. It's not the loaded out one, but these things go for 1,000,000 miles. This has 192, 3,600. I have this car lot in Arkansas, and there are a lot of families here. It's kind of a lower income area. This would be a great finance vehicle. I'm financing something that's known to be reliable. Honda, boom, boom, bang, bang. I'm going to go up to 4,000. We're going to see what we can get this bad boy for. And yeah, we're going to go from there. It's a new car trade-in. That's good. Royal Honda, that's how you know. Green light. And we're going to bid on this. We're going to go up to 4,050 because it's like everyone's probably willing to go to 4 and then they stop. I'm hitting 4,050 because I'm a gangsta. 2011 Odyssey EX. Here we go. It's coming out of Louisiana. We're at 3850. Let's see if we got any other cars coming. Bang, bang, bang. Ooh, little Honda Pilot, huh? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Those are really good. We got a lot of cars in the lineup. I might make another video. Here we go. Reserve met. So whoever gets this wins it. It's at 4,000. Body straight. That's a $7,000 rig. We got shipping. Shipping's about $574. 4,050. All right. Well, I'm filming this video, so I'm gonna go up. I'm feeling crazy. Let's see what we got going. All right. All right. All right. I mean, what do we go up to, guys? What do you think? I mean, this is a reliable vehicle, tons of space, and it's a mom van. Wrench light is on, okay? TPMS light, one code, that's not bad. I mean, as crazy as that sounds, it's not bad for Arkansas. There's no emissions here. This thing, I'm getting it. I'm winning it. Watch this, watch this. 18 seconds left. 15, 14. Yeah, Honda Odyssey again. Great vehicle. I'm the high bidder. All right, all right, all right. We'll see what we got going. See what we got whipped up. $4,100. Give me one. Give me wise. Give me wise. Do we get it? Do we get it? Do we get it? Do we get it? Hmm. 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 What else we got? I think I got, oh my gosh, I got outbid. 4,150. Honda Odyssey EX. I'm going to have to finance this bad boy. See what we got going on here. See what we got going on here. Car Gurus. What we got? What we got? 11.9? 72? Oh, 100%. We're still going. We're going. This is way more than I wanted to pay, but it's part of it. It's part of the game. 42 bones. Come on, come on, come on. Pow, pow. Let's see how bad the body is. At the end of these photos, they always have an image. Let's just keep scrolling. Ooh, that's a pretty big scratch there. There. Missing that, that's easy. I don't know what they're showing me there. That's pretty typical. Headlight, typical, typical, typical. That's not that bad. If I get this, I thought it was 4,250. All right, well, I might get it. Honda Odyssey, probably one of their most reliable minivans on the market. These things have a great track record. If I loan this out, basically being the bank, I guess you'd say, if I get this, then I know that like I've got something on the road that they're not going to call me once a week and go, hey, this is messed up. Hey, this is messed up. So it's, oh my gosh, I'm about to get it. What? Did you guys see that? Someone bid with 1 second left. You can't scare me. Well, I would like to have this, but it's not looking good. So I don't know what to do. This video was going to be about the Honda Odyssey, but now it's not, I guess, because I don't know if I can. Actually, I'm doing it. I'm not losing to that guy, whoever that was. I'm not losing to him. This is exactly how you overpay for cars as a car dealer. If any dealers are watching this, they know this pain. But I'm not losing. I'm not losing. Bring it, buddy. 107 eyes are watching this right now as we speak. 107, and that one that did the 1 second bid, he's getting terminated. He's getting terminated. This is a mom special for BB Arkansas. This would be the nicest rig in town, and we're getting it. Don't come at me like that. 20 seconds left. If he does the 1 second bid again, I'm out. I'm sick of that. That's a lot of waiting for both of us, the viewers and myself. And we got other options out here. So, like this. This is actually great. This is great. Should I just stop? What's the distance, though? Ooh, 1,000? Never mind. I got it! Yeah! That's right. That's the definition of never giving up. Even when you have to overpay, never give up. Mom van, I got it. On camera, caught. Pow! Probably paid too much. Finalize this auction. Let's go. Karsten and Moore BB location, 574. We're in it at 4510, 2011 green light. Yes, you think it's high mileage, but it's not really for a Honda. Boom! All right. That's it. Don't ever give up on your dreams. If you want something bad enough, you'll get it. This is like a motivational video. It turned into that, I guess. But Honda Odyssey won that bad boy. That thing's going up for $79.99 finance. I'll take 6 cash. I might take 55 cash. Who knows? You might not. Come see it. CarstenandMoreBB.com. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Standard 10-day guarantee. That's how this auction works. I got 10 days to drive this thing home. I'm going to drive this thing all over Northeast Arkansas. You can bet your bullets on that one to make sure this is good. And then if it's not, I'll call them and say, hey, something's wrong. All right, submit. Oh, what's required? Yeah, ACV. Boom, boom, boom. Submit. Bang. How much did we get it for? I thought it was, I could have swore we got it for, oh, the shipping's, I have $5,080 in that. All right, well, we're buy here, pay here a lot. That's kind of on the high side, but okay. We're going to get off here before I overthink it. Yeah, I do this every day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I bid on cars. I buy cars for one of our locations, either our Arizona lot or our Arkansas lot. And we ship them back and forth between. We sell these cars. And yeah, that's what we do. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash the like button. It would mean a lot to me. Subscribing would mean even more. Subscribe, follow my, I guess, journey. We buy expensive cars, we buy cheap cars, we buy mid-end cars, we buy mom cars, soccer cars, dad rigs, dad trucks. We buy them all. This was a soccer mom car. And yeah, it'll play out well, I think, hopefully. I said I'd sell it for 55, but not anymore because now I have 5,000 in it. My fault. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. I'm starting to overthink that deal right there. You guys watched it live. Yeah, I'm going to get off here. See ya.